Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back. So in today's video I'm gonna try making a viral Oreo cake. So let's get started. So in order to make this, I need 8 Oreo biscuits and I'm gonna put these biscuits in my mug. Now I'm pouring in 5 tablespoons of milk in my mug. Now mix it gently. It's kind of hard to mix in because biscuits are too hard, but obviously you can do it. After mixing it all, this is how my batter turned out, and now you're going to do is put this in your microwave for about 1 minute. That will be enough. So 1 minute is over. Let's take this out and see how it turned out. So look at this, it's looking amazing, and let's test its texture. It's so soft, it's so amazing, and I'm gonna taste it also. Okay, so it's so yummy, believe me guys, it's amazing. Make sure to try this out. I'll give this recipe a 10 out of 10. Yeah, and that's it for today's video. Bye guys.